welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today we got bad mind World Dawg again. Because after what happened with him and him Regin lose him life, it turns out World Dawg has been charged for murder. I go talk about it, I go tell you how him likely get the murder charge. Because as me telling you in another video there, and in many videos before, Florida is a spooky state for body now, because Florida has some laws where if the authorities them really fed up with you, them can drop on and sink you. I'm going to talk about one of them. This is likely where them going to drop on World Dawg, because based on all the intel so far, World Dawg never actually kill Joe. So I wonder how him get charged with murder. I'm going to talk about it. When we go into that, couple of announcements. 2 videos I dropped today. Remember certain time when you see me go away for a couple of days. In time we rally back. You see multiple videos. So we are doing it over this Christmas season. Also, just want to drop this out there because people are sending me the video with Agent Sasko. And I said, boy, look at YouTuber. And like how Sasko thing look. Yeah man, a mad thing. But here we are going in Sasko right now. Because Sasko has walked away from the acidic lifestyle. Because he's no longer allowing the machine to poison the minds of the youths them. That not really take on with the Jamaican people, who as we know are as acidic as a tropical battery. Notice who the people them take to. Like where Sasko are going from a long time. And there's nothing surprising to me still. Are those people that say, boy look at YouTuber, how come Sasko this and Sasko that, Sasko not acidic enough. So, that's a good look. I like that J-Free video there. I like when... See, J-Free, if you go do interview with them, man, you have to interview. That little puppy show the way you sit down with the talk about the little YouTuber. I dope about that, man. Post it double six, we don't do that. The posing and muggling thing, we don't deal with that. Like Nicodemus in the night. I'm not too want to say nothing bad about him, so I don't know them man they make out of steel and them man they tough like Terminator, so I don't want to get him upset and next thing you know, the man they go look for me and go, Argh! So, my for us. Easy. I too want to violate the kill them. I'm for those easy and hold my corner. I like that Sasko video there. It's a good look. Talk about World Dawg. Feel the rhythm, feel the ride, head on up. It's bad mind time. See World Dawg I make video saying get charged with murder. What go on? People ask me, look you show them, I him shoot Joe? Based on everything we know went down in that incident, World Dawg never actually walk up and shoot Joe. So we might get murder charge. Well, World Dawg and him people them are chuck badness in a state where you don't really want to get to them or something for you. You see, in Florida, like many other states, you can get charged for the murder of somebody if them death occur while you were participating or carrying out a felony act, even if it never intentional. Let me say it one more time. In Florida, if somebody dead, if you did carry out a felony and somebody dead in the process, you can get charged for it even if I know you kill them. Even if a year charge you. So, let's say me and Simon go up on a shooting. We kick down somebody's door, we go up on a shooting. In the process, we book up on somebody who have a licensed firearm and him kill Simon. I mean, run left Simon. In Florida, me can get charged with Simon murder. Because me and Simon did carry out one felony. And in the process of carrying out that felony, Simon end up dead. Even though I know me kill him, me can get charged for murder. Let me tell you something. Pick a very spooky state for body now. If them the laws they there, Iron Man, me sorry for no found. That means a group of clansmen can roll out. A group of Janko Nation can roll out You see when time they go up on certain corner and them shoot people and then bystander dead and all. One of them dead. In a state like Florida, you can get charged with all them murder there. Even the people who dead on your side. So in other words, Richie Blacks, Sci-Fi and Brothers can go up on a shooting, they might carry out a felony. Something go wrong on the felony. Richie Blacks dead, Sci-Fi dead, Brothers live. In Florida, Brothers can get charged for Richie Blacks and Sci-Fi's murder. Or Sci-Fi's dead. Right. He might get charged for them murder dead, and then him kill them. And not even straight shot kill them. But they might carry out one felony and people dead upon it, so I hear body them there. More than likely, because when the documents come out yet, we just work off of a world Dawg say. More than likely at this, he might get charged with murder upon. Because when you hear no reports like say him kill Joe, there's no theory or no eyewitness on the body. Right? Or even a point in a direction there. But if him say get charged with murder, and him say the family and the friends them I tell the police them go down, that will give the police them enough scope to say, oh, so only do this, and then in the process of doing this, man dead, that don't be that year one. In other words, if you never go there with the foolishness in the first place, or you kickstart the chain of events, well, it is somebody dead, are you everybody that? When the incident go down, World Dawg did that chuck badness. So once them feel like in behavior that night past the threshold to become a felony, in other words, him that chuck badness and do something to somebody, and in the process of doing something to somebody, man end up dead, well, him can get charged under this murder. And pick a hell of a state for go body now. Him not have to kill him himself. He don't even have to be a straight shot. And this law so wide and fast, if them really want them food, them name it. At this Florida drop a man when time they want them leaking. You see when Florida want, you see them hear much quote unquote bad man. In America, you see video come out to them and sit down on table and tell police everything them know. When them have them lawyer upon man, be leaking. So this is our place like Florida and some of the more, gun friendly state them work. Enough time 87 roll out to go up on a shooting and the person who then go for shoot have gone to or just one bystander have gone to and challenge them. And then one of them 87 friend them dead. And when time them 87 friend dead, police say, alright, we're gonna charge you for the murder of that person there. Even though you want him come to kill somebody. 87 start leak right away. It's not like Iron Man where you have to murder somebody to get charged for feed them murder. Or take partner the murder. Or plan the murder. It's be some kind of conspiracy. It no works so no further. The man where you go there with to kill somebody, if him dead, then you can charge you with feed murder and you not kill him. Not even by accident you not kill him, you can get charged with murder. A BA man start leak. Them Yankee gangbangers there, they might even bigger informer than me. And that takes some doing to be a bigger informer than me. Even in a World Dawg situation, a BA name a call. BA name a call. Even if I the quote unquote yard man, they may claim say them how much bad man and they like informer. Them down at the station I call name, them all I call the World Dawg name. Everybody I call, I just be a name I call. In a station I eat Burger King. I saw Yankee police to get them, Bring them all one little McDonald's, put them on the table. Tell us everything you know, son. Then go out now, them out and say, yeah, what? How this thing a work? You never shoot him, but you did it. And you take part in a felony, so watch ya. 25 to life you look man. So again, me go ask you, what you know? All of a sudden, them out run a Speedy Gonzales. So you spooky on World Dawg. So the reason why you hear World Dawg I say Joe family and show him certain vibes are because when the incident go down, it's not like them just like go about them business and man rush them. World Dawg acting like him a King Kong dopey maker. This man is supposed to be a comedian, but tell me already how that go. Want to be bad man, so in the process of pretending to be Terminator, Joe get terminated. So that's why Joe family upset with Dawg one, but Joe and World Dawg, Pa and Joe know who's World Dawg and Joe. It's not like Joe was standing there with him Bible saying, guys, please let's come together and kumbaya. No, but you know, Gary, when they did the family, I go stand up to you and say, boy, and next man make this happen to you. Them I put all the blame on the next man. That's a reach World Dawg right now, all the blame I drop on him. But then pick a spooky state for body now still. You don't have to do murder yourself. And I know enough pipe I go bust. The Florida Water Commission, they want to see more water than when time hurricane pass through. I know Florida get hurricane regular. The Irish socks on them, now learn. And they look like them daddy uncle Sam have to go teach them. Has to be studied. But the Lord will tell them about if I that then whole World Dawg pan. Again when they see documents they come out it, if I that then whole pan. If Iron Man had that law, no fair hear it gunman then gone a long time. Cause when time man go up on a robbery and one of them friend them dead, JC for those charge them for them friend murder and take them off of the streets. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.